Hi, it's Diane from So Charming Quilts, and you'll just have to pardon the fact that you can't see my smiling face today, but I am here to introduce to you our March quilt. It is called Harvest. It is one of the Kona Cotton Solids 365 calendar quilts. It is designed by Elise Lee. I just wanted to show you today how I set my blocks up now that we've constructed all of our half square triangles and all of our flying geese. So for example, you're going to make 4 blocks that look like this. It starts with a half square triangle on another rectangle, and all the instructions and cutting measurements are given in your pattern. And then I just chain piece. So I have all 4 of my blocks set up, and I just run them through the machine so that I can chain piece them quickly. Once I have them chain pieced into rows, I'm actually going to press my seams open. So I'll take them to my iron and press my seams open. This helps to have those seams lay nice and flat when we're actually sewing our blocks together and when we actually go to long arm it. And then once I have my rows pressed open, I go and chain piece and I sew my rows together, and my block turns out looking like this. And again, you're going to make 4 of them, and it's the way that they're turned in the pattern each time that will actually create our finished block. Now, if you look here, this is the flying geese part of it. This creates the 4 kind of middle parts to your block. So again, I have my, oops, this one's upside down. I have my pieces laid out so that I can quickly just grab them and chain piece them through my machine. Pressing this one is just a little bit different. I press that bottom seam open, but then with my flying geese, because I don't want that bulky point, I do press this seam up. And that is the only seam that I am pressing up and not open in my entire block. And then I went ahead and put together 2 of my blocks along with my center block, and this will be my actual middle row of my completed block. So here's my stack of completed blocks. And you can see all of my seams are pressed open, with the exception of those flying geese blocks where I want those points to lay nice and flat. So again, this is the March calendar quilt, and we have lots of our blocks done. Hopefully today we'll get some sashing added, and we'll come back and show you a finished quilt top. But for now, here are the blocks, a quick sample of what I've completed. Enjoy your day. Join us at www.socharmingquilts.com for kits and pattern information on our March Quilt calendar quilt. Thank you.